Okay, everyone, let us now learn how to use or how to create auxiliary views. Now, we need to create auxiliary views because not all of the features of objects, especially with inclined surfaces like this in the picture, um, can be depicted in the orthographic views. Say, for example, if you view this object from the top, this will be distorted, right? This inclined surface right here, the features will be distorted. And also if you view it from the right, that will also be distorted. If you view it from the left side view, then it will be hidden. So you cannot see this circle right here or this hole right here. Okay, so for that we need to create auxiliary views. So I will show you what that looks like. So first, let's create our construction lines. First, we need to create different layers. So we have here construction layer. I've colored it green, and then we have here a hidden, and then an object, and we also have a center line. So the center line has a line type of center, and the hidden has a line type of hidden. You can just load them, and then we have here the object has a line weight of 0.5, the hidden has a line weight of 0.3, and the center line has a line weight of also 0.3. Okay, so now that we've established that, let's go and create our X lines. Okay, so I'm going to do it again for vertical. Okay, let's go to our picture. Let's set up first our left side view. Okay, so what are the dimensions of the rectangle we're going to create? We have 70 here and 62. Okay, so let's offset 70. Okay, 70. Okay, and then set for 62. Okay, now let's create a 50 space, and then the top will be here. Now if you look at the picture, we have here for the top, we have here a square of 70 by 70. So this is already 70. Just going to offset this horizontal line to 70. Okay, there you have it. So this will be the position of our left side view, and this will be for the top. Okay, the auxiliary will be someplace here. So we'll get to that later. Let's start with the left side view first. Okay, let's start constructing the features. Okay, so we have here for the left side view, 24 from the base. Okay, so this endpoint right here is 24 from the base. Okay, I'm going to create an offset for that. Okay, that's 24. Okay, now we have this. And if you take a look on the left side, we have here a chamfer of sorts with a chamfer of 20. So, and its angle is 45 degrees. So the fact that it is 45 degrees, we know that this is also 45 degrees. Or there are many ways to construct this. So you can use the polar tracking for that to track the 45 degrees that you're drawing. So in my case, I'm just going to create two lines that are 20. I'm going to leave that there, leave a line there so that I will know that this is the 20 mark. So it's just my own personal preference. So you can choose your own methods. Okay, so I'm going to trim that. Okay, so now let's go back to the drawing. So as you can see, we have here a 45-degree angle, right, from this point right here to this point here, and let's take a look. Okay, so we have a 45-degree angle right there, so we can use the polar tracking for that. And yeah, so let's do that. So let's create a line. Let's create a line, and then let's use polar tracking. Okay, so we have here 90 degrees, so plus 45, that would be 135. So if we do that, if we follow this angle right here, you'll have that. Okay, so let's trim this. Okay, let's check the length of this. So it is exactly 12, and take a look at the picture again. Okay, so we're basically done with the left side view, right? And if you take a look, okay, so let's work on the top view. We will add the hidden lines later when we will start drawing the auxiliary view. Okay, so for the top view, oh wait, let's finalize these lines first using the object. Okay. Okay, so let us construct the top view. Okay, so for the top view, we'll have here 70 by 70 square, and let's create some construction lines. So X line, right? And then we will create verticals. And then, oh, I forgot to go to the construction uh, layer. Okay, so let's do that again. X line, and then vertical. Then let us turn off the line weight first. Okay, so there you have it, and there. Okay, so for the top view, so basically for the top view, that would be it, right? So we are going to finalize that with the object. Okay, so we're going to create lines. Okay, here. Oops. Okay, so there you go. That is for the top. So now, let us create the auxiliary view. Okay, so in order to create the auxiliary view, we need to create um, construction lines that are parallel to this 45-degree angle, so that this will be this surface right here, inclined surface, will not be distorted because the angle here is 45 degrees, right? Okay, so I think this will intersect, so let us move this by stretching it a little bit. Okay, eight. So let's do that again. Okay, so I think this won't touch anymore. Okay, so if we delete these. Okay, so if we create construction lines for this angles right here, so we're going to create an X line. So the option that we're going to use here, instead of horizontal and vertical, we're going to use offset. So, and you're going to press T for through, and then select a line or object. So this will be the one that I'll select. And as you can see, it projects a line that is parallel to this line right here. So I'm going to create, oh wait, I forgot to go to the construction again. So let's do that again. So X line, then offset, and then through, then select a line, and then you go here. Okay, so let's click that, and then let's do that again for this one right here. And let's do that again for this and this one. So now we need to also know where this circle will lie.